So my teens are still really getting used to this whole period thing. So finding the right products has really been like a trial and error thing. So in our house, we use these U by Kotex. These are the overnight pads, and these really have been a winner for my teens. This box has the 24. I really like that each one is labeled that it's overnight. So when I'm putting these in the drawers, they can grab the actual overnight one. We've tested many brands. So these, the girls really like. These are the winner because they are actually comfortable. So they're thin enough. Let's just get this off. See how thin this thing is? It's just so thin. Thin enough, but absorbent. There's the charcoal area. They don't have to be big and bulky anymore to work. So they do stay put in their undies because of the wings. Even if they're like little restless sleepers, they fold them over and they're good to go. We've tested these, so 8 to 10 hours, protection, no real leaks, and no stress for them. And that's the really important thing. Box of 24 goes a little long way. So basically, if you have teens like me navigating their period journey, these U by Kotex, the nighttime ones, are really worth grabbing. They're specifically designed for teens, and my girls have had 0 complaints. So that's a win in this mom book. Highly recommend.